You should have recorded how I homeless prepared my coffee with a little bit of water. We are on a mission today. We are on a mission to go pick up this beautiful car. I'm not gonna say what yet, but we are leaving Belgium and we are entering Germany soon. So yeah. I don't know, what else should I say? We are about an hour and a half from our car that we are going to pick up. The reason that we get this car is that I had a feeling that I need to bring up something new in my life and create something more than just live like a standard human going to work and coming back and be tired and do nothing. So I felt like it's time for change, it's time to be creative, and this whole project, well, I hope it will not be a massive flop, but it might be. But what can I say about the car? To begin, well, the car is green. I can tell you that the car is green. I can tell you that it's petrol, and I can tell you that it's a manual car, and I can tell you it's not a new car, right? But basically why we are starting this whole project is that in the future we would love to open a space for the car enthusiasts to come share their passion and express their devotion to the cars, to the car culture and car community. So as you might have noticed, this is the very first video on our channel, so we understand that the quality might not be the best, but please stick with us. This is a project that is in its early development stages, and we hope we can progress in this and become better and better every day, right? For you. The perfect radio station. Yes. Nein. Nein. Most important first thing you have to do every time you buy an old car: cleaner. This is for kids. €2.10 a liter.
They say I'm a grumpy old man, but I'm really a grumpy old teenager.
Much better now. Honestly, just sitting here watching that gives me the goosebumps. So we just bought this 520i from 1998. And honestly, it's not in the worst condition, but it's not in the best condition. Like, there's so many things that can be worked on this car. I am the 6th owner of this car, so, and it's having 300,000 kilometers. So, approaching 200,000 miles. There is some aftermarket wheels for this car and a second set of aftermarket wheels, which seem to be replicas. I don't know, this car will be a lot of fun. So far, there's not many rust spots, and after washing it, it actually looks pretty clean. So as you can see, the rust spots are like here and here, which are very common rust spots for an E39. The car came with a couple scuffs, but nothing horrible, nothing that cannot be polished. Sadly, the rear light is cracked. Germany. Cars coming with actually parking sensors, so that's super cool. Yeah, as you can see, the aftermarket wheels are replicas. But hey, cool three-piece. There's the things that will need to be changed or taken care of, like this here. You know, the rust on the hood, but nothing that cannot be worked on. So this will definitely be fun. So regarding the interior, this car came with actually a bunch of options, which is super cool. My favorite would be the multifunctional steering wheel. So that would be the multifunctional steering wheel. Sadly not the M1, but I personally prefer this one rather than the other one. Stereo, typical pre-facelift stereo, didn't come with the big nice screen, but hey, cassette player, old school. Seats are leather and in pretty good condition, but sadly no sport seats. Seats are manual, and the gearbox is also manual, which is really lovely. I appreciate manuals. It's getting more and more rare to find manuals in good condition, so definitely easier to maintain than automatic. All the windows work, which is a rarity as well, right? Of course, there are some scuffs here and there. There's some cracks on the panels, and this one is like wobbly. But hey, sunroof. And overall, I'm pretty happy with this car. Came with a phone for some reason, but that's okay. All right, we go. Lights on, temperature looks good, mirrors look fine. Ugh. Off we go. Last little piece of Germany. Towards Belgium. Good. I can see myself, that's a little bit scary. Cześć, kawu? Yes. Skúška, raz, dva, tri.